I know most of the farmers have the mangoes in their backyard, or in your homes. And you might be feeling like, oh, are you, and when your chickens get something of what we can call maybe like tumor, something like some bacterial infections, you run to the pharmacist to look for antibiotics. Here in this video, I just give you a secret or how you can use mango leaves as an antibiotic on your farm. So we go on that. First, you understand, you say that if I give mangoes to my chickens, what will my chickens benefit from? We are talking about mango leaves. It's not mango fruit, guys. Okay, if you just want also a dedicated video on mango fruit, you just leave a comment in the comment box below so that I understand that if you comment enough of the comments in the comment box below that you want a video on mango fruit, feeding mango fruit to your chickens, I will do that dedicated video. Now we are talking about leaves. First, mango leaves, when you just feed them to your chickens, they increase the growth rate of your chickens. Your chickens just grow very fast. They improve the immunity. So it means that any disease that comes to your farm will not immediately affect your chickens or intrigue with your chickens, because the immunity of your chickens will have been strengthened. You understand? They also increase the blood chemistry. So those mango leaves increase the blood chemistry of your chickens. Hence, the good circulatory system or the good saturation of the blood and the nutrients in the body of the chickens. They also act as a sessile microbiota in the chickens, and they also increase the meat quality. So, if you know, and if you have a problem with supplying the meat, and they say that your meat doesn't taste well, it's time to test using test mango leaves and feed them to chickens. I know all of your customers will come back and appreciate your meat quality. Now, you may say that now, now how can I, prepare, the mango leaf for my chickens? One, you'll collect the mango leaves from the tree. If you are in the backyard, I know even when the wind starts blowing, some of the leaves fall down. So you will collect the leaves. After collecting the leaves, you will dry them in the shade, not in the sun, or not. You should not sun dry them. Instead, you just dry them in the shade, so that some of the nutrients are not lost to the heat. So after drying them in the shade, then you will grind them. After grinding them, you get the powder form of the mango leaf, So when you're feeding them to the chickens, you'll get 5 grams of mango leaf per 1 kg of feed, So it means that if you are mixing 100 kgs, you put 500 or a half kg of mango leaf. Because other things, they will also improve like feed intake. Because if your chickens if they get disease, like they first abandon food and water. So it increases food intake, it increases egg production, it will also increase feed conversion ratio. It means that your chickens will gain, you gain weight or will produce more eggs with less feed, because the conversion ratio will just be high, So they also act as an oxidizing, they act as rapid oxidizing agents in the body of your chickens. So hope that you have got or if you were really actors of some of the leaves in the background or in your backyard or in your compound. Hope that now you can now use them to treat your chickens at your home, and your chickens can live happier and longer. So if you have got, or if this video has been so helpful to you, don't forget to click on the right button and smash the notification bell so that you get notified of my future videos. And again, Don't forget to share them to the friends and families, because I know most of the people have, if it doesn't have the chickens on a commercial level, at least you have them in your backyard or in that, for just meat cover, and some of you use them as a pets, So you share them to those people so that they know how they can treat their chickens naturally using the organic remedy mango leaf which are in their compounds. Thank you so much. Catch you out soon in another episode.